Alright, we're taking another look at the Saturday Night Special collection. This time, well, specifically the Ring of Fire, but this time we're going to take a look at one of the sub-branches. So, we've seen in other videos, the main branch of the family tree is George Jennings and the Raven, which turned into Phoenix. Then we've got this side of the family tree, which was his son Bruce. That goes off into Jennings, Brico, Cal Wesco, and then Jimenez. Over here we've got the daughter's side. So George's daughter and the plant manager from Raven married and started Davis Firearms, making larger scale versions of their dad's 25, so 32 380s. They also made these reproductions of Remington Derringers. So that's the main branches of the tree. But coming off of that branch, there's also George Jennings' nephew, and I forget his name, but he did Sundance. And these come from Valencia, California. They're all chromed out, so it's going to be tough to keep them in focus here. There's a couple of differences with the boas, or with the Sundance. They call them a boa. I can get it to focus there. And they're also 25 ACP. They're basically Uncle's Raven, except that he added the grip safety, and he moved the safety to the side of the grip. He also radiused the back here, which reduces slide bite a lot. I really think the Sundance are a cool version of the that true Saturday Night Special 25. Excuse me, the true Raven Ring of Fire 25 ACP. Then there's the coolest boa ever. So the boa laser, or the laser 25, I guess. Basically the boa. However, it's got a laser on it that's activated by the grip safety. Now my battery's about dead, but you can see there that it's activated as I grip the safety. So just a really cool. So you think of Saturday Night Specials as being, you know, cheap and not much technology, not much innovation. And honestly, this would make a nice little carry gun. This one is in great shape. It's probably the most expensive one as far as my collection goes. The Sundance were neat little versions of the Raven. So that's a quick video on the Sundance. I wish I had more options for you there. There's quite a few of them. I really try to concentrate on the 22s. So these just, actually I only planned to buy one, but then I found this at a gun show, and knowing what it was, I had to buy it for the collection. Anyhow, you know how that goes. So I'm sure I'll get comments on that. Feel free to leave comments wherever you happen to see this video. We'll do lots more. And as always, thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.